Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix WhatsApp couldn't send an SMS to your number. You are trying to set up WhatsApp but accidentally you hit a frustrating wall. We could not send an SMS to your number. In this video we'll walk through proven solutions step by step to fix WhatsApp could not send an SMS to your number, so you can receive the code and get back to chatting in minutes. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first you should double check your number. Before diving into technical fixes, it's important to rule out the most basic rule: entering the wrong number. If your number is incorrectly formatted, WhatsApp simply won't be able to send anything. And the next step is check signal strength and SMS functionality. For this, open the Messages app and ask a friend to send you a regular text. If you don't receive it, check for the signal parts, toggle the airplane mode on and then turn it off. For this, open the control center and tap on the airplane mode. Then wait for some seconds and then tap on it again to disable it. And also you should restart your iPhone to refresh the network connection. For this you just need to press the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear. So slide to power off and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is turn off focus mode and do not disturb mode. Even with the working SIM and signal, iOS focus modes, especially do not disturb and sleep, can quickly block SMS or phone calls from unknown numbers, including WhatsApp verification message. For this, open the control center on your iPhone and then tap on the moon icon and then tap on the focus mode to disable it and you are done. And the next step is disable SMS filtering and third-party blockers. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to the app section. Next, scroll down and go to the Messages app. Tap on it. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of filter unknown senders. Tap on its toggle button to disable it. And you are done. And the next step is switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. For this, try turning off the Wi-Fi. Open the control center and tap on the Wi-Fi icon to disable it and open the mobile data and you are done. And the next step is try call me option. On the verification screen, tap call me, answer the call and write down the 6-digit code when prompted and you are done. And also you can wait and try again later. If you see a countdown or logout message, wait up to 24 hours before trying again. And then you can try the call me option instead if it becomes available sooner and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix WhatsApp could not send an SMS to your number, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.